Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying chapter number 3 trigonometric functions, and in exercise 3.3 we have 19th question. Sin x plus sin of 3x upon cos x plus cos of 3x is equal to tan 2x. So we need to prove this, whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So consider LHS. Now LHS is equal to sin x plus sin of 3x upon cos x plus cos of 3x. For please look at the question asked. This is equal to sin x plus sin of some angle plus sin of another angle. These angles are different. It means we have to use this identity, that is first identity, sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. So for the numerator we have 2 times sin of x plus 3x upon 2 into cos of x minus 3x upon 2, and for the denominator we have cos x plus cos of 3x. Angles are different, it means we have to use cos x plus cos y identity, that is cos x plus cos y is equal to cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. So this becomes 2 cos of x plus 3x upon 2 into cos of x minus 3x upon 2. So this is equal to 2 times, or you can eliminate 2 from numerator and denominator as well. Both are same here, both terms get eliminated. We are having sin of x plus 3x is 4x upon 2, that is equal to 2x, and cos of x minus 3x is minus 2x, minus 2x upon 2 is minus x, so cos of minus x upon cos of x plus 3x is 4x, 4x upon 2 is equal to 2x, and x minus 3x is minus 2x, minus 2x upon 2 is minus x, so cos of minus x. Now please note, this term is common to both numerator and denominator, so it can be eliminated. This is sin of 2x and this is cos of 2x, so trigonometric ratio is different, hence it will not get eliminated. Instead it will become sin of 2x upon cos of 2x. We already know angles are same, sin upon cos is equal to tan, so this is equal to tan of 2x, and same was the question asked, so this is equal to RHS. Thus we can say that the question asked sin x plus sin of 3x upon cos x plus cos of 3x is equal to tan of 2x is proved. Dear friends, in exercise 3.3 we have 20th question. Sin x minus sin of 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin of x. This is what we need to prove. Now please look at the numerator. This is nothing but sin x minus sin y, that is the angles are different, so we have to use the second identity, sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos of x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. So we will get at the numerator. Before this we have to consider LHS, since it is proved, we have to consider LHS separately and consider RHS separately. So consider LHS, and it is equal to sin x minus sin of 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x. Now look at the numerator. We will get, if we solve numerator, we will get 2 times cos of x plus 3x upon 2 into sin of x minus 3x upon 2. Now look at the denominator, sin square x minus cos square x. We are having the idea, don't get confused, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This is what you have studied earlier, since 10th standard you are studying this identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now we have another identity, cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos of 2x. This is the identity that we have studied earlier, cos 2x. There are 3-4 identities for cos 2x, and one of the identity is cos square x minus sin square x. Please note here, we are given sin square x minus cos square x. So if you take a negative sign common, we will have negative terms inside, negative sin square x plus cos square x. Now we have got the same, cos square x minus sin square x. Please note, only the terms are written first at the second and second at the first. So if you rearrange the terms, this becomes, numerator becomes 2 cos of x plus 3x is 4x, 4x upon 2 is 2x, and sin of x minus 3x is minus 2x, minus 2x upon 2 is minus x, upon minus, we will get cos square x. Please note, positive term is written at the front and negative term is written afterwards. It means one and the same. Now we already have an identity for this, cos square x minus sin square is equal to cos of 2x. So this becomes 2 times cos of 2x into sin of minus x upon minus cos of 2x. Now watch carefully. We are having a cos 2x term at the numerator, we are having a cos 2x term at the denominator. So this term can be eliminated. Please note, all are multiplications, so we can eliminate. So what is left with us? Let us see. This negative sign is left, I am writing it at the numerator. 2 times sin of minus x. Now we have an identity for this, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. And for cos also we are having identity, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is what we have already studied. I am writing just to remind those identities. So this becomes minus, again minus 2 times sin of x. This negative into negative becomes positive, 2 sin x. Look at the question asked, that is equal to RHS. It means that sin x minus sin 3x. Thus I can say that sin x minus sin of 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x is true. Dear friends, in exercise 3.3 we have 21st question. We have to prove cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot of 3x. So as usual we will consider LHS first. So consider LHS. Now LHS is equal to cos of 4x plus cos of 3x plus cos of 2x upon sin of 4x plus sin of 3x plus sin of 2x. We are solving the problems on these identities, that is sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y, cos x plus cos y and cos x minus cos y. Now look at the LHS and look at the RHS. Here we are having 3x angle and to the left hand side we are having 4x, 3x and 2x. So anyhow we need to eliminate these terms or we need to change the angle. Now in order to change the angle, please note, if you use this, we change the angle. So we need to change 4x and 2x angle. 3x can be solved little later. So we will keep 3x because we need it. So it must be a part of the answer somewhere. But 4x and 2x we don't want. So we rearrange these terms of the numerator and the denominator. So we will get cos of 4x plus cos of 2x plus cos of 3x. Watch carefully what I have done. I only interchange the position of the terms. And at the denominator I will get sine of 4x plus sine of 2x plus sine of 3x. So I am going to solve first two terms by using the identity cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2, and at the denominator sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. By using those identities we are going to solve the problem. Let us see what we get. So cos of 4x plus cos of 2x is equal to 2 times cos of 4x plus 2x upon 2 into cos of 4x minus 2x upon 2, and this as it is cos of 3x as it is upon, at the denominator I will get sin 4x plus sin 2x is equal to 2 times sin of 4x plus 2x upon 2 into cos of 4x minus 2x upon 2 plus sin of 3x. So this is equal to 2 times. Now please watch carefully. These 2 will not get eliminated. The reason is we are having a plus term. So we cannot eliminate 2 since we are having the plus term. It must be only single term, then and then only we can eliminate 2. Here we are not supposed to eliminate 2. Don't get confused with the earlier problem. So I will get 2 times cos of 4x plus 2x is 6x, 6x upon 2 is 3x, cos of 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x upon 2 is x, plus cos of 3x, this term as it is. At the denominator I am having 2 times sin of 4x plus 2x is 6x, 6x upon 2x is 3x, into cos of 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x upon 2 is x, plus sin of 3x. Now watch carefully. I cannot eliminate 2 also, I cannot eliminate cos also. The reason is plus sign. This plus sign is there. So I cannot eliminate this. For this there must be only one term. So now look at the question. Look at the step that we have solved. You will see cos 3x is common. So if you take cos 3x common, you will get cos 3x common. From the first term we will have 2 cos x, this 2 and cos x plus 1, and at the denominator we will have, please watch carefully here, sin 3x is common. So if you take sin 3x common, you will have 2 cos x plus 1. Now see, since this is a multiplication, this makes a single term. So we can eliminate this term and we are left with cos of 3x upon sin of 3x. Now watch carefully. This is equal to cos upon sin. Cos of same angle upon sin of same angle is equal to cot of 3x. This is equal to RHS. This is equal to RHS itself. Thus we can say that we have proved cos of 4x plus cos of 3x plus cos of 2x upon sin of 4x plus sin of 3x plus sin of 2x is equal to cot of 3x is proved.